Hello, my dear students. In this moment, I'm going to talk about the beautiful topic. The topic is introducing yourself and people, ¿ok? Es decir, hablar acerca de mí, y de las personas, ¿ok? Okay, continue, class. Now, in this moment, I'm going to talk about introduce yourself. What is the first activity? Is introduction. My family, my pets. What is my pets? Yes, very good. Mis mascotas. My dream, my favorite food, and my favorite hobbies. My dream, mis sueños, ¿ok? Lo que deseamos ser. Now, hi everyone, I am teacher Paola. Remember, my name is Paola. And first, I'm going to talk about me. Okay, guys? Hello, my name is Paola. What is my name? Paola. Very good. I live in Bogota. I am 29 years old. Yes, 29. Very good. I live with my husband, with my daughter, with my... Excuse me. And I live in Bogota. I like to spend time with my family. My favorite hobby is to sing. And I love to teach English. And I like to listen to music. I like go to the church. And I like watch the videos. Yes, very good. Now I continue talk with my family. Okay, this is I introduce because I'm talking about my family. Okay, my beautiful students. This is example. My family. Okay, what is the family? Mother, brother, sister. Yes, very good. And you talk about your family, you say, okay, I live with my mother, I live with my brother, I live with my sister. Yes, you talk about your family. I live with my parents, I live with my grandparents, my grandma, grandpa. Okay? Talk about your family. Maybe you can talk about your name. For example, my mother called Liliana, Sarah, whatever, okay? So continue. My pets, do you like the pets? Do you like the cat? Yes, oh, very good. Do you like the dogs? Okay. My pets, Mickey, have 1 year old. And Oye, this is Oye. What is the name of this cat? Oye, have 3 years old. Yes, this is a beautiful cat. I love the cats. And now I'm going to talk. Excuse me. No, my dream. Pay attention, my dream. Remember, my dream in Spanish is mis sueños. Lo que me gustaría hacer. Yes? For example, this is example, my dream is to be a doctor. What is doctor? Excellent, doctor. When I grow up, I will like to help people get better and feel better. Yes, very good. Oh, teacher, me gustaría ser doctora. Excellent. I like to be a doctor. Okay, guys? This is my dream. It's an example. You can introduce yourself with your dream. Now, this is a very, very, very important because all we have 1 or 2 favorite food. Okay, this is an example. Steak or fried noodle or soup. But in my case, I like to eat. My favorite food is a rice with chicken. And the fast food, I like to pizza. Yes, delicious. And a hamburger is so delicious. But the soup is so too delicious. It's a good food. Okay? Do you like the soup, Andres? No? No, teacher. Why? It's so delicious. Okay, continue. Now, two, you can talk about your favorite hobbies. For example, teacher, I like to ride a bike. I like to listen to music. I like to spend time with my family. I like to play with my friends. Yes, this is an example. I like to paint. I like cooking. I like reading. Yes, this is a hobbies. In your free time. You do your hobbies in your free time. Okay? For example, Sarah, what is your favorite hobby? Oh, teacher, my favorite hobby is play with my friends. It is a hobby. Okay? Very good. And finally, what is the final? Excuse me. Okay. This is a finally. Okay? Remember, class. It's very important you think about you introduce yourself. Hablar acerca de ti. My hobbies, my favorite food, my favorite color, my family, my pets, my favorite foods. This is about you. Introduce yourself. Talk about you. Hablar acerca de ti. Okay? Hello, teacher. My name is Paola. I am 29 years old. I live in Bogota. I am from Colombia. I live with my family. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite color is pink. I don't know. It's an example, okay? Introduce yourself. Hablar acerca de ti, de tus gustos, de tus pasatiempos, de tu comida favorita. All talk about you. Okay, guys? Understand the class? Is good for you? Yes, teacher, very good. Now, finally, in this activity, you do talk about yourself. Talk about yourself. Okay? Only 4 sentences. For example, the first sentence, talk about your name, talk about your hobby, talk about your family, talk about your friends, and talk about your pets. Yes? Okay, in groups of 5 students, do this activity about introduce yourself. With this sentence, don't remember. Talk about your family, talk about your hobbies, talk about your favorite food, talk about your name, and talk about your hobbies. Okay? It's clear for you? Thank you so much, my students. So, this is finally the class, and this is evaluation. Thank you so much for your attention, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.